In the vastness of our galaxy, stars are born, planets coalesce, and dust drifts endlessly through interstellar space. Most of this material remains forever unremarkable, unnoticed, a quiet record of cosmic history. Yet, occasionally, fragments of distant star systems enter our solar neighborhood. They do not arrive with announcements or fanfare. They appear as fleeting points of light, moving in ways that defy the expectations of a solar-bound object. 3I/Atlas is one such visitor. Not from Mars, not from an asteroid belt, not even from our sun's distant reaches. Its origin lies in another star system, traveling through space for millions, or perhaps billions, of years before we ever noticed it. The news reported its brightness. Astronomers studied its orbit. The story the universe was telling remained far deeper than headlines could convey. 3I/Atlas was first observed on July 1, 2025 by the Atlas Survey Telescope. This instrument, designed to track near-Earth asteroids, scans the sky night after night, comparing millions of pixels for subtle motion. Initial observations revealed a faint, fast-moving object. At first glance, it could have been mistaken for any ordinary distant comet. Yet its motion revealed its true nature, a hyperbolic trajectory. Unlike solar system objects, it was traveling too fast to be bound by the sun's gravity. Its path marked it unmistakably as interstellar. Astronomers quickly searched archival images, uncovering recovery sightings that confirmed its high velocity and trajectory. Within days, 3I/Atlas was formally classified as the third confirmed interstellar object, following Oumuamua in 2017 and 2I/Borisov in 2019. But discovery was only the first step. The deeper questions had yet to be asked. Where did it come from? What was it made of? And what secrets could it reveal about the galaxy beyond our sun? The defining feature of 3I/Atlas is not its brightness, nor the green hue of its coma. It is its orbit. Bound comets and asteroids follow predictable, elliptical paths dictated by the sun's gravity. 3I/Atlas does not. Its trajectory is hyperbolic, fast, sharp, and unbound. This single characteristic confirms its interstellar origin. It was not pulled from the Kuiper belt. It was not nudged from the Oort cloud. It came from another star system entirely, a traveler crossing the void. Its hyperbolic path also makes it unreachable. No current spacecraft could intercept it. We are observers, not participants. We may analyze it, record it, and learn from it, but we cannot interact directly. Despite its exotic origin, 3I/Atlas behaves in remarkably familiar ways. As it approached the sun, it developed a coma, a cloud of gas and dust surrounding its nucleus. Solar heat caused volatile ices to sublimate, releasing material and forming one or more tails. These behaviors align perfectly with known cometary physics. There are no strange accelerations. There are no indications of artificial propulsion. Its activity is natural, predictable, and measurable. This apparent normalcy is its greatest scientific gift. It allows astronomers to study a body formed around another star using the same models and techniques applied to solar system comets. As the comet warmed, astronomers noted a subtle green glow. This is not just a visual curiosity, it is a chemical signal. The green emission is produced by molecules such as diatomic carbon, C2, fluorescing under sunlight. By studying this light, scientists can infer the chemical composition of the nucleus in coma without ever touching it. 3I/Atlas revealed the presence of carbon-rich compounds, familiar from comets in our own solar system. Its chemistry tells a story. The processes that create organic molecules are not unique to Earth's neighborhood. They are common across the galaxy. Among the compounds detected were methanol, hydrogen cyanide, and other organic precursors, molecules that can participate in reactions leading to amino acids and nucleobases. These molecules are not life. They do not indicate that 3I/Atlas harbors life, but they do indicate that the ingredients for life are widespread. Chemical pathways that might lead to biology are not unique to the solar system. They are a natural consequence of star and planet formation. Every comet, every icy fragment cast into interstellar space carries the potential chemical seeds of life. 3I/Atlas is a messenger, not of life itself, but of life's potential. As with every interstellar object, speculation arose. Headlines suggested danger. Social media suggested alien origin. Enthusiasts wondered if it was a spacecraft in disguise. Science responded with restraint. Every observation was scrutinized. The hyperbolic orbit, cometary coma, and spectral signatures all aligned with natural explanations. Extraordinary claims require extraordinary evidence, and in this case, none existed. 3I/Atlas is natural. It is unremarkable in its behavior, yet in its simplicity lies its importance. 3I/Atlas likely formed billions of years ago around a distant star. It was ejected, cast into the dark gulf between suns, and drifted silently for eons. For millions of years, it remained frozen, chemically preserved, a time capsule of another planetary system. Its journey across interstellar space is both violent and poetic, silent, relentless, and ancient. Every molecule it releases tells a story of formation conditions, temperature, radiation, and chemical history, information that would be otherwise lost to the galaxy. Telescopes worldwide have tracked 3I/Atlas. The Hubble Space Telescope captured detailed images of the coma. Ground-based observatories charted its changing brightness and color. Space missions, even those not aimed at the comet, recorded incidental data points. These observations create a multidimensional data set, allowing astronomers to study its composition, rotation, and evolution over time. Every passing day brings new insights, as sunlight continues to alter the comet's surface and release materials into space. 3I/Atlas is not just a comet. It is a statement about the galaxy itself. It confirms that planetary systems routinely eject material into interstellar space. It confirms that organic chemistry is widespread. It confirms that our solar system is part of a larger, dynamic galactic ecosystem. Through objects like this, we begin to understand that the universe is interconnected, that matter travels between stars, and that the conditions for life may be more common than previously thought. The fleeting passage of 3I/Atlas reminds us of our place in the cosmos. We are observers on a small planet orbiting an unremarkable star. Across the galaxy, countless other systems eject comets and asteroids. Some may carry complex molecules. Some may carry secrets we will never uncover. Yet, for a brief moment, one of these interstellar travelers passes close enough for us to learn from it. Its journey is a silent lesson in cosmic scale, persistence, and the subtle interconnectivity of matter. Soon, 3I/Atlas will vanish beyond our reach, fading into the darkness from which it came. It will not leave monuments. It will not communicate. It will leave only data, observations recorded by human eyes and instruments. But that data changes us. It tells us the universe is not static. It tells us that stars and planets are not isolated. It tells us that the galaxy is alive in its motion, that matter flows between stars, and that the ingredients for life are carried across vast distances by silent cosmic travelers. 3I/Atlas is gone, but its story remains, a whisper from the stars, reminding humanity that the cosmos is far more interconnected, vast, and wondrous than we ever imagined.